Welcome to the colorful world of language. Today, we're diving into adjectives. So what is an adjective? An adjective is a word that modifies a noun or pronoun. It's like a brushstroke that adds detail to a painting. You might, for example, describe a scene simply as being a day. The addition of an adjective transforms this into a sunny day, which adds more depth and vibrancy to the picture of the scene. Let's now explore the types of adjectives with some practical examples. There are descriptive adjectives such as happy face or gloomy weather. Quantitative adjectives like several books or many people. Demonstrative adjectives such as this apple or those stars. Possessive adjectives like my car or her idea. And interrogative adjectives such as which route or whose coat. Adjectives serve two main functions. They describe nouns, like a thunderous applause, and convey feelings or opinions, such as a dreadful movie. Where do adjectives go? Usually before the noun, like a noisy crowd. But they can follow the noun in cases like the sky is blue. When using multiple adjectives, remember the order: opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, purpose. Like a lovely little old rectangular green French silver whittling knife. Adjectives can also compare. Taller compares two objects, while tallest shows the highest degree. Irregular forms include better from good. Be mindful of overusing adjectives or misplacing them. The excited puppy quickly ran is clear, but the quickly excited puppy ran can confuse. Adjectives are the paintbrushes of language, adding color and emotion to our words. By understanding and using them effectively, we can transform our communication into vivid and engaging narratives. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of adjectives. Keep exploring and enriching your language and your writing.